Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today I will be doing a twist and curl on my natural hair using Betterlength clip-ins. Stay tuned.
You're bold, loud, articulate and cute, kind of quintessential, unique and elegant too. Everything that I need, baby, you are a queen.
So Betterlength is specialized in making texture clip-ins that is Afro, Kinky, curly. It is 10 wefts that I did receive with also one bundle, so it's just enough to cover your whole entire head. I got it in texture 3C4A, which closely resembles my actual hair texture, and it is a natural color, and I also got it in 20 inches as well. So I have a plastic bag on my hair because my hair is wet. I wanted to make sure that I keep it wet so that way I can easily apply the clip-ins in my hair. Before you apply the clip-ins in your hair, you want to make sure that your hair is freshly washed with no product in it, so that way when you apply the clip-ins and also using your own hair, it can all blend in seamlessly as well. So I just parted my hair off in the front first, and I will be starting off with working in the back. The product that I will be applying on my hair is the Lotta Body with Milk and Honey Refine Me Curl Defining Mousse. I decided to put mousse in my hair because it is lightweight, and because it is lightweight I feel that it can actually dry more quicker, and I just love the way this product actually defines my curls anyways. So then I follow up with my Denman brush to make my hair smooth, and I'm just going to go ahead and apply the clip-in. So this is how it is looking. So I'm just spraying it down with water first, and then I just open up all of the clips. And then when I open all of the clips, I will be placing them on my hair, starting off with the first part that I did. So I just kind of try to match it and line it up as best as I can. I did notice when I do apply it on my hair, as I stretch it out, it is a little bit longer than the part that I did create. So that is okay. I just still just applied it on my hair wherever it laid at. It all lays naturally, and I love that. It all blends in well with my hair as well. After I line it up, I did apply some more mousse, and now I'm applying the mousse on the actual clip-in hair as well, so it can all blend in. And as you see, you can't really detect my hair at all. It blends in so well. So as I am detangling my hair and smoothing it, I do make sure that I am holding my hair, so that way my clip-ins don't fall out. Remember, these are clip-ins, so you want to make sure that you hold it when you are detangling and smoothing it out, so that way it won't fall out. So I'm just doing a regular 2-strand twist all the way down till I get at least kind of like halfway. And then when I do that, I'm going to be applying the yellow perm rods. So they are small, so I'm kind of giving like a little spiral effect here. And I just use my thumb to actually smooth out my hair as I am rolling it around, as you see here. I try to make sure that I take my time when I'm doing my hair and making sure there are no lumps or bumps. So just, just making sure that everything is smooth, because how I apply my twist in my hair while it is wet is how it's going to look when it's dry, when I do also take it out. now I use all of the wefts that have the more clips in it. So we are working on the smaller wefts now. So I am working on this side. So I'm just kind of just measuring it to see how it'll fit. Now I'm just creating a part in between this part here, and then I will be applying some more mousse on my hair. When I apply the mousse on my hair, after that I will be applying the clip-in. So when I apply the clip-in, as I said in the beginning, it does stretch out kinda and it doesn't line up, so I gotta make sure that it is lined up with my hair right. So I did have to pull some of the hair out, and that is okay. So I just pulled it out, and then I applied some more mousse on that part as well. And so then after that, I just kind of put the clips in and then snapped them into place. Excuse me if I sound a little different in this video. I am getting over this sickness that my kids have given me. So I'm just trying to get over it, but I am so glad that I am actually getting better. I do have my voice back. But anyways, I am going to continue to twist my hair, y'all. So I had to pull some hair off the other side because you do not want to see any clip ends. We want to make sure that this blends in so well. So I did pull some hair out on the other side because this is how I'm actually going to have my hair to be laid. It's actually going to be tucked behind my ear, as you've seen in the beginning. So I'm just going to, you know, blend it in with my real hair. So I just use my denim brush to smooth it down, and here you go, just twisting it, and that way you won't even be able to see. You can't even detect the clip ends, y'all. So now we're working on my actual real hair, y'all. I don't have any more clip-ins to add in, so I am blending it in. We're doing the same things, and as you see, it really looks like it's my hair. I am excited, y'all. So now that we're all done, this is how the back look, and it won't look like this when I'm done. So yeah, this is the back part of my hair. I am just feeling to see how dry it has been. Again, like I said, with the mousse, it does dry pretty fast. So this is the side part of my hair. So I did let this air dry overnight. So this is the very next day. So I'm going ahead and to take these down. I did apply some oil on my hands as well. So yeah, I'm just showing y'all the results, and look at that, y'all. I was so excited, like really excited. This hair makes me smile. So I'm just taking these twists down, and the definition is amazing. Oh my gosh, y'all, it blended so well. Like, it really looks like it's my own hair. So now we are all done taking them out. The curls are just, oh, I forgot. You know how that is. There's one more, so I'm going to go ahead and take that out. Yes, okay. So now that I took it all out, now we are finally done. I'm just feeling for more, and y'all, it is bouncy, springy. Definition is on point. Like, it blends in so well. You can't even detect the clip-ins. Oh my gosh. Okay, moving on. So now I'm just separating my curls, and I didn't really separate too much. I kind of just separated the more chunkier curls. So I'm just, you know, trying to feel where I would like to separate it. And then after I separated all of my curls, I just made sure that it is blended in well. And then I just went in and I went on ahead and picked out my hair for more volume. And this is the final look, y'all. I am all smiles. If you're interested in purchasing this hair, check out my description box for more information. You can also use code Harris963 for a discount to receive $5 off. Also check Betterlength out on Instagram at Betterlength. And thank y'all for watching this video. Love you. Bye.